Today we will learn how to customize the chat window in the BotPenguin. First of all, select the bot, then go to the website chatbot settings. Here you will find the section for chat window. Now here you can enable this button to allow the visitor to transfer the chat to the WhatsApp. By enabling this button, you will allow the visitor to refresh the chat, and by enabling this button, you will hide the transfer button. We have this option for allowing your visitor to transfer the chat to the bot. Then by enabling this button, you can allow your visitors to request for a live chat. By enabling this button, you will hide the refresh chat button from the bot. Here is a field where you can write the button name for transferring the chat to the WhatsApp. Here you can enter the button name for transferring the chat to a live or an agent. Here you can write the button name for transferring the chat to the bot. Here you can select the chat message color from all the available options. Here you can select the primary color for the chat message, and here you can select the color for the chat message when unavailable. Then click on the save changes and you are good to go with the chat window. You have successfully customized your chat window as per your need. Thank you very much.